everyone, today we're going to do an unboxing and a quick overview of the Nintendo Switch OLED. I'll show you what's in the box and give you some of my initial thoughts on this Nintendo Switch. So on the box here you can see I picked up the black edition with the black dock and the red and blue Joy-Cons. It also comes in a white edition that has a white dock with white Joy-Cons, so you can pick up whichever one you like there. Again, Nintendo Switch OLED. On the back here, it's got a few different modes. Of course, the tabletop mode, a larger kickstand in this version, and I'll show you that upcoming here. TV mode, so you can play it on your television, as well as handheld mode, so you can use it as a handheld device. Great and versatile system. On the side here, it says OLED, and it's a 7-inch OLED screen on this one versus the 6.2 on the previous version. 64 gigabytes of system memory, which is double the last version at 32 gigabytes. A dock with LAN support, so you can plug it into LAN, faster speeds with that, and an adjustable stand. Let's go ahead and open this right up. So once you've got the lid open, you can see the Joy-Cons right away and the Switch right there. We'll go ahead and start pulling this out. So the Joy-Con, again, I got the blue one right there. It's kind of a teal blue. Feels really nice. And the kind of red or fluorescent kind of pinky color right there. And of course the Switch here. Ooh, nice and shiny. Let's go ahead and pop those Joy-Cons on right away. Just slide on right like that from the top. Ooh, that feels really nice. So just to have a quick look, I do have the previous generation of Switch right here. So this one is supposed to be just a couple millimeters bigger than this one. So we'll hold them up there and we'll take a quick look. It's just slightly bigger, but not by much. So the screen itself, the unit's roughly the same size, but the screen has smaller bevels on it. So you get...
Everybody, this is Aisha with Review Pronto, and today we're going to be talking about Luigi's Mansion 3 on Nintendo Switch and how it's really important for brothers to have their own games. So if you're familiar with Nintendo, you have to know about the Mario franchise, and it's really cool that his brother Luigi has his own games, and he's had 2 games before this, of course, because it's Luigi's Mansion 3, but in this game we get to see Luigi really stepping up to the plate and clearing an entire mansion of ghosts, ghouls and goblins out, cleaning up and saving his friends as usual. Now, just like in different Mario games, adventure-based games, you have to go all over this one building and traverse different puzzles and ghosts and portals to get to the friends saving. So Peach, Mario, and 2 Toads are trapped by the evil ghost that's holding everybody hostage. And Luigi, it's funny because he's terrified throughout this whole game. So you have to overcome him shaking and being scared by the ghost and tiptoeing around in shock. But you have actually a partner for 2-player co-op, which I haven't seen before in the Luigi Mansion games. And this game is unlike any other.
what is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the beautiful brand new blue Nintendo Switch Lite. Get hyped! This is Nintendo's latest Switch Lite model with a splash of color that's very reminiscent of the indigo Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, and even GameCube. Those are all consoles that I grew up playing back in the day, and I had that indigo color consistently in my face, so when this Switch Lite was announced, I knew that it was going to be the perfect console for me. So without further ado, let us get to unboxing this thing and seeing what it looks like. I'm so excited! So here it is, guys, in all of its glory, the new blue Nintendo Switch Lite. You didn't hear me when I was unboxing this thing, but the first thing that I said when I took it out of the box was, wow, this thing is beautiful. I knew this would be one gorgeous little console going in, but I can confirm that it looks even better in person. You can definitely tell that it's blue, but it's a very deep blue with a hint of purple. I would actually consider this to be more along the lines of indigo than actually blue, because at times it does look more purple than blue. It just depends what lighting you have in your environment and what angle you look at it. It's easy to see the parallels here with the older indigo colored Game Boys from back in the day. I don't have those consoles anymore to color compare it to, but compared to my original indigo GameCube, it's surprisingly very close in color. This new Switch Lite is just a deeper